Welcome everyone, Daniela here, and this is my first layout created with the August kits, and I focused on the metal dies, and I also wanted to use the embellishment kit, the color kit, and the cardstock kit. Well, first of all, we have got these nested circle metal dies this month, and I want to show you how you can use them. First of all, you can use them just, the way you can see it here. You can put all the circles together, and you got nice frames and circle shapes, and you can also just use them as single ones. This way you get circles and a scallop border, and you see that this is a nice thing that you can combine them in different ways. And if you want to save some paper, you can also do it this way, and then you can add or build a little circle cluster. And this is what I did for my page. I wanted to work with this picture, so I've chosen different papers from the cardstock pack, and you see that I always wanted to match them, the colors in my picture. The only color that I added, which is not in the picture, is the pink. All the rest can be found in the drink, in the table, or in the sky. So this is a nice way of creating layouts in perfect harmony, because you just have the same colors, and this is something that I do quite frequently. All right, so you see that I just used the metal dies to have a lot of different elements, and now this time I want to back my cardstock with this pretty pattern paper, and I cut the inner part out so that I can use it on another page. And now I want to use the little ink pads that we get in the color kit, and I just create a quick and easy background here. Just applied some of the ink by rubbing the ink pad on the cardstock, and now I mixed another color with water to add some splashes, and then I'm going for a second color for the splashes so that it is a nice and easy background, which we can create in just 1 minute. This is a really easy thing to do. Well, so this is the background, but we will cover most of it by the beautiful circle elements that I have created with the metal die set. So you see that I always combined the different colors so that we have beautiful scalloped circles, and I didn't want to do the stitching this time. I wanted the holes to be there because it is kind of light and not so heavy but I can totally imagine doing some stitching here around the circles if you don't have too many elements on your page. This time I wanted to have a lot of paper, so that's why I decided to go without stitching, but I'm trying the stitching for sure on another project. So here this is what I want to be the basis or the basic construction of my page, or the circle elements, and I also added a few single circles here so that we have different sizes, and now I can adhere everything. You see that the yellow is a nice addition to all the other colors. I really like the way it peeks out, especially in the upper circle. And yeah, after adhering everything to the cardstock, I can start embellishing the page by using some die cuts or some stickers. Alright, you see that most of the mixed media background that I've created is covered. But we see this pretty, I think it was peach fizz here in the background, here and there, and that is something that I like a lot. And now I'm working with the die cuts that come in the embellishment kit. So I just added one of those tags here behind the picture. And of course, I also want to use some flowers. We have these floral die cuts in the in the embellishment kit, sorry. And I just added two of those flowers here and add two feathers and a little branch. And this way I have a beautiful little flower cluster, and I'm working with 3D pads so that I have more dimension on my page. And yeah, that is a nice addition to the circles. And here is the branch. And yeah, I also wanted to use this pattern paper. I just punched out two of those hearts, so I have two more circles here, and I want to place one of them here on top of the circle cluster, and the second one will be placed here. And this is something that I like to do, going through the papers and see what else I can use for fuzzy cutting or for punching out. And yeah, so this is the title, Life is Good. It's taken from the ephemera pack that we get in the main kit. And yeah, the colors are just so beautiful. I really love the new kits. The colors are perfect and you can combine them in so many different ways. And I also like this boho kind of style. And I have taken a lot of pictures when we went to the Netherlands this summer, so I can use some of the pictures taken at the beach bars here. And yeah, I'm sure I will be using a lot of those pictures with this kit. And yeah, you see that I've just built another little cluster here. So I have two clusters with feathers. And this makes it more balanced if we have two of these elements. I fuzzy cut the little feathers from one of the pattern papers, and now I also want to use some puffy stickers. We have the puffy phrase stickers this time, and there are also some circles, and I just add them here to my page to have another texture and even more details. And yeah, I also want to use a few phrase stickers here. And this is a nice addition to the paper because it's more shiny. And then I also add some chipboard stickers. I'm going for some triangles to have another shape in addition to the circles. And then it's time for some epoxy stickers. I love those shiny little dots and hearts and everything that we get in this kit. We have different colors and they are sparkly, they are shiny and just so pretty. So if you haven't taken a look at all the different kits this month, I really recommend you hopping over to the Hip Kit Club website and see what else you might want to order, because these kits are amazing. Alright, so I've just added the journaling. Now I can place the cardstock on my pattern paper, and this is what my layout looks like in the end. I've just added some sewing yarn as a final touch and some more epoxy stickers, and well, I'm really happy with the result, and I hope that you have fun using your kits as well. Thank you so much for watching again, and take care. See you soon. Bye bye.